Hello bellezas, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the Spiritu Fall Box. I'm always so excited about this time because when you're subscribed to boxes, it's like a gift from you to you. You know what I mean? Like, it's just the best time. And today we're going to be unboxing the Spiritu Fall Edition. The Spiritu Box is a quarterly subscription. It's $39.99 that they charge you, and you'll get a total of 4 boxes during the year. You get one in spring, one in summer, one in fall, and one in winter. I'm gonna leave down below other videos of me unboxing the boxes and other information that you might be interested in. So if at the end of this video you like this box right here, I'm gonna leave down below a link where you can go ahead and order the box. I'll get a small commission from it because I'm a brand ambassador with Spiritú. So just letting you know, you don't have to do it, but if you do, link is gonna be down below. Now let's go right into it. One of the things that I really like about this box is always the beautiful packaging. So this one the illustration was made by art by Ana Alvarado. It's right here. It's so beautiful. It's also very cool to me because they give opportunities to Latinx artists to showcase their talent, and to me that's like an amazing thing to do. And it also just comes so well, and I use all my boxes to store stuff, so it's like cute to see, cute to keep, and it's amazing. So let's see what we have right here. I try my best to stay away from social media because I didn't want to know what was in there, but I know like one of the one of the products. So here is how it comes. So as you can see, it's always so beautiful, so well put together. And right here, over here, we have the fall box. They always send you like a postcard saying, who designed the box, the art of the box. In this case, like I say, is Ana Alvarado. It says that it's filled with over 140 of beauty, lifestyle, and artisanal products, which I really love that as well. Like, it's not only about makeup or skincare, like just like a bunch of different things that you would normally not buy from the brands that you would normally not buy, but that you can use like all the time, because I do all the time. So they always also send a pamphlet telling you what's on the box and how much the things that are on the box cost, which I always took at the end. And here they have a postcard for clinic, so I'm assuming that they have a clinic product right there. It's really cool. Like they send you different postcards. Sometimes they send you like discounts from those brands, and then you can just go ahead and try them out. So now let's open it up. It always comes with the little beautiful sticker here. I really like this. Let me just open it. I'm messing it up. I'm messing it up. Okay. So here is what we have on the box. I'm gonna give you guys first dips. I'm really like so excited. It's just like so. I just love it. So the first thing here that that I see, I believe these are earrings. They're so cute. They always send, I don't know how to say this word in English, so I'm gonna say in Spanish, productos artesanales. So basically like products made by the people from a specific country. So in this case, it's from Honduras. So we have these beautiful earrings right here. They're sourced from Honduras, and it says right here that they were made by Coquette Amor Honduras. They look super cute. And yeah, they always, when it's productos artesanales, they send you like this little thing and like where they're from. So it's really cute to have, and it gives you like a small explanation of the artist, and like a little bit of the history of that specific like product or what it's made of. So super cute, and also my favorite color. win-win. So let's see what else we have here. So this is so now we have right here coffee. This is Don Francisco's coffee. Is Colombian coffee, and to be honest, I had to say something. So when I came to the United States, not offense to anyone from here, but honestly, your coffee kind of sucks. So I remember that I went to this coffee shop and there wasn't like anything that I would like, and I started like drinking Colombian coffee, and that was like my salvation. Like that was a salvation of my coffee addiction. Okay, so Colombian coffee is so delicious, so good, and they also send like a beautiful, super cute like coffee cup. Like if this is not fall, I don't know what is. And it's like a lot. I'm gonna definitely try this. So next up we have like this really cute bracelet over here, and it's from a program. It's called LIDE program that provides arts and literacy classes, computer training, and scholarship to a growing community of over 600 Haitian girls in 13 village locations. This is super cute. It says here, oh, the LIDE means both leader and idea in Haitian Creole. I think it's really cute because one, it gives you knowledge as to different foundations around the world that you can be part of. So I love that about Spiritu, that it always like opens up your mind and your knowledge to other things that are happening in the world. Two, because I'm absolutely a sucker for foundations and programs that help the youth with the arts, because I think the arts is like one of the most important things for a development of any human being. So this is super cute. It says leader right here, and I'm gonna start using it right now because it's super cute. Then next up, I'm seeing right here that we have some clinic products. Right here we have the Moisture Search 72-hour auto replenish hydrated. So we have it over here. It seems to be a sample size. Another thing that I like about Spiritu, most of the things are usually full sizes. Very few of them are not. And then we over here have, and it's like Spiritu listen to me, because I actually need an eye moisturizer, and this is a Moisture Search Eye. So it's not necessarily like a moisturizer, but it's for the eye. Let's see how it looks right here. It seems to be a sample size too, but it's super cute over here. So next up we have a Michael Kors. I'm assuming it's like a little perfume or something. I absolutely love this things that they send. Gosh, 1 second. I'm having technical difficulties to take this off, but oh, there you go. So this is basically a perfume from Michael Kors, and let me just, it smells so good, so good. And it's perfect because you could put it in your purse and just like take it with you, and it smells really good. It smells like kind of like fruity, but not like overwhelming how some fruity perfumes can be. And last but not least, which is actually the only product that I knew of already, is kind of like a scarf basically. Oh my god, this material is like so, well, this is not a scarf. I don't know what is the name, but whatever, we'll find it out later. If this isn't fall, like I don't know what it is. Like this material is so like nice. It feels really good. Like it feels just, I don't even, and also it's the color that I wanted. Like I said, this is the only product that I knew of, and I saw that they had like this color, they had like pink, they had like a other blue, and I was like, oh, I hopefully can get that one. And I did. So now we're gonna go to the pamphlet over here to see how much everything costs. I don't know why I had that accent just now, just ignore me. Anyway, so first off we have the Michael Kors Wanderlust Eau de Parfum rollerball. That is $30 right here. Next up we have the Agave Salt Baya shawl, which is technically it says here you can use it as a cozy wrap, as a scarf, a throw, or even a table accent. Oh, that's kind of cool. So it's like a multi-use kind of thing. I love this. So it was designed and handmade con amor by Los Angeles-based Latina entrepreneur Laura Olvera. Like I said, Spiritu always like repping Latinx countries. I freaking love it. Next up, we have the earrings. So these one are handmade earrings from Honduras, and they're $12 right here. Then we have the Papillon Marketplace handmade bracelet in support of Lide Haiti, and this is $12. I understand by this that it was made specifically for the Spiritu Box. I'm in love with this. Next up, we have the Clinique Moisture Surge Auto Replenishing Hydrator, and this one is $12. Then we have the Clinique Moisture Surge Eye 96-Hour Hydro Filler Concentrate, and this is $11. And then we have the Don Francisco's coffee, and this is $8. And the reusable cup is $6. And this is a total of $151 in this box. And I only paid $39.99. So, my final thoughts on this box. I actually really like this box. I think it's one of the first boxes that I've seen that have so many things from different Latinx countries and it's different places. And I think that's really important because the main reason why I even started getting the Spiritu Box is because of that. And like I said, it's like products of things that you would normally not buy because probably they're not made here. So that's something really, really cool. But it also, like I said, have things that you will use or that you will try. I'm a sucker for sample sizes because I don't know if this is sample size, I am assuming. But I love that because it allows you to try the product without, buying the whole thing. I love the coffee. I love this. I love the earrings. I really, really like it. I think it has less products than the other ones that I've seen from Spiritu, but the cool thing about it is that they always have like at least one or two products that are like kind of expensive, but they're like expensive good. You know what I mean? Like this is not only expensive to be expensive. This thing like just feels really good, like feels really great. And like even the perfume, it's like one of the most expensive items, and it's something that you would normally wear. So thumbs up for Spiritu. So like I said, if you like this box, I'm gonna leave the link down below for you to try it out. I'm a brand ambassador, so just go ahead. This video, just because I'm a brand ambassador, this is not paid whatsoever. This is not sponsored. I pay for the box, but if you get the box through my link, I get a small commission out of it, so that's super cool. Tell me in the comments below, what do you like about this box? Did you like it? What's your favorite product? If you'd like to know a little more about me and just check things out, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. All the links will be down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also the bell notification so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. This has been The Hennessey's Way. See you on the next one. Bye.